Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're talking about how to take your Medium stories to the next level with easy editing tips. Writing a post on Medium is a great way to express yourself and share your ideas with the world. But, if you really want to take your content to the next level, adding a kicker and subtitle can make all the difference. So, what exactly is a kicker and subtitle? A kicker is a short word or sentence above the title of your story that categorizes it and entices the reader to keep reading. It's a great way to give your content some extra flair and make it stand out in search engines. A subtitle, on the other hand, is a short sentence below the title that further defines the content of your post. It's a way of extending the title and providing more information to your reader. Here are 3 examples of kickers and subtitles. Example 1. This is a kicker for a tutorial. The subtitle is, How to make a delicious 3-layer cake from scratch. Example 2. This is an opinion kicker. The subtitle is, Why I believe everyone should learn to code. Example 3. This is a personal essay kicker. The subtitle is, My journey to finding inner peace through meditation. Luckily, adding a kicker and subtitle to your Medium stories is super easy. All you have to do is follow these simple steps. First, add a title to your story. This will be the first line that you write in your post. Then, add a blank line above the title and type in your kicker. It can be anything from tutorial to opinion to whatever best categorizes your content. Highlight the line of text and click the small T icon to activate the kicker format. Next, add a blank line below your title and type in your subtitle. This should be a short sentence that further defines the content of your post. Highlight the line of text and click the T icon again to activate the subtitle format. Finally, confirm that the title and subtitle text are added to the metadata for your article by clicking the 3 dots icon in the upper right of your article and selecting Change Display Title, Subtitle. Make sure that the values for title and subtitle reflect the same text formatted in your post. And that's it. Adding a kicker and subtitle to your Medium post is a quick and easy way to make your content stand out and provide more context to your readers. So, give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more great content. See you in the next video.